Hello people, welcome back into this channel. Today we will talk about Canva and I want to show you the way how you can find any things or find or search any items on Canva. Open your Canva application first on your phone and you just need to create the new documents. You just need to go to this plus button and then you just need to pick what type of documents that you want to create. I will let you do the Instagram post and you just need to wait until your documents are ready. Now I already have this blank canvas, and if you want to search for things for your content or for your project, you just need to go click okay, wait a minute. So you just need to go click this bottom side. There will be like a lot of options. You just need to go click this element and you just need to type anything that you want to search here. Let's say here I will let you looking for a flower for my project here, so you just need to go type flower and then you just need to go click return. Then the Canva application will show you all of the flower things that you can use here. You can have a graphics, you can have a photo, you can have a frames, even you can also have a video. You just need to like scrolling down and you just need to pick what type of flower that you want to have. If you want to have a graphic, you just need to go click the see all on the graphic side and then you just need to go pick what type of flower that catch your heart and you just need to go click one of the item that you want to add into your project and you got it right away. You can also adjust in the positions and the color down path here. You just need to go click it and change it into the specific color that you want. If you want to customize the color, you just need to go click this area and then you just need to drag this spot into the specific area that you want to have. And right after that, you just need to go click this side or you just need to right away click your project. So that's its way how you can like search any items on Canva. Hopefully you find this video today it's really useful for you, and let's meet again into other tutorial.